Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make 4K CapCut videos. This process is really simple and easy. So let's get started. What you're going to do is open CapCut. After that, if you want to sign in, you can, but I'm not signing in right now. After this, we can see the new project button. So let's click on that. Now what we're going to do is select any video. Let me just select a random one. After that, this timeline will appear and you can see a bunch of options here. So let's not get confused. And at the bottom, let's scroll and find adjust. Now turn the brightness to 7, the contrast to 11, saturation to 7, the exposure to 8, and sharpen it to 67. Set HSL according to your video. In the graphs, tweak it a little bit and turn the highlights up, the shadows a little bit, and turn the vignette a little bit. So here you go, guys. You can now see the results. And that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.